Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. And I've got a fantastic little mystery box from Juvia's place that I ordered a while back, and I've just been busy with other things, but it's a $15 mystery box. And on top of that, I am announcing my 1,200 subscriber giveaway. Yeah. And I'm going to show you what you're going to win if you are the winner. And I'll go over the rules and everything like that. But to qualify for the giveaway, you have to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell down below. I can't tell if you ring the bell, but I can tell if you like and subscribe. So super cool, but we appreciate you being here. We, the royal we. There's my crown. But I'm so excited about this box, and I have already opened it so we can see what's in here. And there is a palette all wrapped up nice and neat. Ooh, it is the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and I have not had this palette. Let's take a look and see what she looks like. And this was a $15 mystery box, and to get a palette is definitely worth the whole box right there. And plus there's more stuff in here, which is very exciting. And I'll hold the plastic there. It is very beautiful. Look at that. Such a great colorful palette. You can do so many great looks with that. That is super cool. And that is the Afrique palette from Juvia's Place. We love it. We love it so much. So we'll put that there. And then next up is a lip gloss, and it is Sophisticated Lip Gloss Brilliant Lèvres or something in French. Let's see. It slides open. And oh, Louie's here. Hey, Louie, what's going on, buddy? You're a good kitty. But it's very pretty. I'm not going to take it out of the box because I have a lot of lip glosses right now, so this will go into a future giveaway. But that's very nice. And then we also got the Empress Lip Collection by Juvia's Place in D2, D-I-T-U, matte and metallic liquid lipstick. Ooh, look at these colors. They are gorgeous. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I definitely don't do metallic lipsticks, so this will definitely go in a giveaway. And let's check this out because I've not tried their liquid lipstick formula. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, I see a little dotted line. Don't use your teeth. Easier said than done. Opening this lippy. Looks like I won. It's such a pretty color. I can totally use that color. And I'll be glad to check out the formula. And that is just gorgeous. So I got a metallic lip, a regular matte lip, I got a lip gloss, and I got this awesome palette, all for $15, which is a phenomenal bargain. So that's very exciting. So now, let me clear up my mess. I've got a mess. And let's see what's in the giveaway. It is in a single swag box, and it is very heavy. It is full of stuff. And I want to thank you guys for helping me get to 1,200 subscribers. It's been a long time since I hit a milestone. I kind of was stagnant for a while, but this new year has brought new people and new life, and I'm very excited about it. And I'm super glad to have you guys. First off is a Thankful palette. And it looks like this. It is very, very pretty. And I think a lot of people of a lot of different complexions can use that palette. Next up, some very nice lashes from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Anastasia. Then we have a Lip Milk Kush Lip Balm from Milk in this color. I'm not going to open it up because it's hard to open, but it's a beautiful nude kind of color. We have other things in here. Next up, we have the Sue Replenishing Cucumber Mist. Everybody needs a good face mist, and cucumber is so relaxing. A set of Luxie brushes, and they've got gold handles, and it's in a beautiful red little pouch here, and it's got face and eye brushes. That's very nice. Oh, we've got another lip gloss, and this is in, I have to get my magnifying glass because I'm so cute, Blonde Raisin, and this is a kimchi lip gloss, and it's very nice, good quality. I think you're gonna love that. It's gone, makes me happy. And then the big daddy in the giveaway is a Viseart Professional Makeup Palette, and this is the Neutral Matte. You may have seen this in Boxy Luxe, and Viseart or Viseart, depending on who you are, makes beautiful, beautiful palettes, and that is a great starter to the Viseart quality. And that's it. Oh, that's it? Well, if you want to win all this stuff, what you have to do is like and comment, and in the comment it has to say enter me, and it also has to have the phrase something about a number. So it has to have something, you have to put something about a number in the comment and the words enter me. So you can figure out how you want to talk about a number, but that's what you have to do to qualify. YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. I have bought every single thing in this giveaway, or was given to me by a friend. You must be 18 or over, have a U.S. mailing address. You also need to dance a little jig. Just kidding. You need to follow all the directions, and I'll announce the winner in a week from today, and I think that you guys are going to have a great shot at getting some amazing things. And any other details will be listed down below about rules and things like that. So I wish you good luck. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you real soon.